Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel and unsubscribe from the auto renewal or auto subscription for Nintendo Online on your Switch. So what you want to do is make sure you are on the profile that is subscribed or paying for the Nintendo Online account so you can cancel the auto renewal. And then once you're here, we're on the Switch homepage. You want to go to where you're hovering over your profile here, where you can go into your profile settings. So go up to where you see your profiles here in the upper left-hand corner and select the one in which has the auto renewal on it. And then once you're here, you're going to want to go down to where you see user settings. It'll be somewhere on the left-hand sidebar. And then once under the user settings, go over to the right and go all the way down to where you see Nintendo Switch Online, and it says check your subscriptions. When you go ahead and click into this, it will open up the Nintendo eShop, and at this point, it will ask you to log into your Nintendo account by either re-entering your password on the Switch or re-entering the password via a smart device. So go ahead and log into your account now. And once you've logged into your account, you're going to see your account information over on the left and right side here. You'll see Nintendo Switch Online, the type of membership that you have. I have an individual membership where I pay $3.99 per month. If you want to cancel your automatic renewal, so that way next time it comes up to get paid, it will not charge your account. You just go over to this orange or button over here that says turn off automatic renewal. If you wanted to, you could even click into about automatic renewal, but I assume you probably already know what it is if you're doing it. But you would just go ahead and press the A button here, tap into that, and then go ahead and it says once you turn off automatic renewal for the pass, basically you can use the service until it expires. So for me, it will expire on the 28th of February because it auto renews on the 1st of March. So once I go ahead and press turn off here, it will not auto renew and it will not charge me next time it comes up or around on the calendar. So that's how you turn off automatic renewal on the Nintendo Switch for Nintendo Switch Online memberships. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.